Hi, Larry Stewart here with FloorConstructionPros.com on the eve of World of Concrete in Las Vegas. Meet Nathaniel Balschmidt. He's the product marketing manager for motor graders for Case.
That's right.
I noticed that you got a new model on the floor, Nathaniel. What are the differences between this machine and the previous machines?
Yeah, absolutely. We are extremely excited to be debuting the C-Series here at World of Concrete. So contractors across the country are getting first glimpse at the hands-on on the C-Series.
Yeah.
We're offering this thing in 4 different model configurations. We have the 836C, we have an 836C all-wheel drive, 856C, and as we're here standing in front of, the largest in the family is the 856C all-wheel drive.
Okay.
We have a SCR technology now, Tier 4 final.
Mm-hmm. You were selling the previous models with credits as Tier 3s, right?
That is correct, yeah. So now we are Tier 4 final, and we're achieving this most importantly with SCR technology. Mm-hmm. So no regeneration, we have lower exhaust temperatures, and most importantly for many contractors, it's greater fuel efficiency.
Right.
And
What's
that's what
it
we're
done
looking
for your
for.
horsepower in these machines?
Horsepower, it's this one here. We're at it is a dual horsepower. So on peak horsepower is 190.
Okay.
So once again, it's all about that maintaining performance, but maintaining fuel efficiency.
Right.
And so operating on that power curve, only giving the horsepower to the amount needed. That's what that's attributed to is fuel efficiency.
Previous models dual horsepower as well?
Yes, it was.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. But hydraulic system upgrade it comes along with that efficiency equation. Right?
That's correct, and that is part of the Case DNA across platforms. We have incorporated our intelligent load sensing hydraulics, which kind of that same thing I'm talking about on the dual horsepower. Hydraulic load, regardless of components, we're only giving the amount of output needed. So whatever component, the hydraulic pressure is just going to adjust to whatever is needed. Mm-hmm. Now we do have a hydraulic override output in the cab, so that operator at any time, if they feel not having enough, they can override that and give all power from that system.
Oh, okay.
Just at the push of a button.
I see.
Yeah.
I see. So does it actually lock to a max flow, or does it just eliminate the machine trying to adapt?
That's correct. It's going to be more of an override.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. I see. All right.
Yeah.
What else should we know about this machine? What sets it apart in the marketplace?
Well, another thing that we've maintained and incorporated with our new C-Series is our front articulated gooseneck design. Mm-hmm. And what this does for us is it provides great sightline visibility to your blade, regardless of where you have your moldboard angled. Mm-hmm. So that's a major thing we always like to point out, and that our customers insist that we maintain on this.
Sure.
Another thing on our all-wheel drive models, we feature a creep mode. Now what this does, we unlock our tandem axles on the rear, and we put them in neutral, and ground speed is coming from the 2 front tires. Oh. And basically we separate the relationship between RPMs of the engine and the hydraulic flow. So the application is going to be fine grading. That's what it's all about. That final pass, we can go nice and slow, but we're maintaining all power needed to eliminate any tire scuffing and provide a nice finish grade. So another great feature that we went towards with our new circle and moldboard mount system, our circle is now sealed and lubricated, going from our old system, which was an exposed tooth system. So we are extremely reducing wear and tear on these by having a greasable ring that actually rides on roller bearings. We really tried to design this thing with the operator in mind. Mm-hmm. So I always like to point out our cab design. Visibility for that operator is extremely important. We have floor-to-ceiling tinted glass, which provides great sightline visibility to the heel and toe of this moldboard. We also focus on noise reduction, so operator fatigue. That lower noise keeps that operator comfortable longer hours inside of this motor grader.
Yeah.
Also available in this cab, we have a rear view camera option with a 7-inch LCD display. So attributing again to that operator fatigue, keeping them as comfortable as long as possible inside that cab.
Yeah.
And the next point is machine control ready options. So technology is only getting more and more advanced, and this equipment is relying on it more and more. All C-Series graders are come with an option for machine control ready for any of the major suppliers. We have an ergo-powered transmission with torque converter and 100% differential lock, which basically for the operator there is no input required. So that differential will provide traction to the opposite side depending on what tire is losing traction.
I see.
So very important. The less that operator has to think about and can just focus on his grading, the better off it's going to be.